what is next for the crypto market? Where do we go from here? And what are the next 2 weeks, 4 weeks, maybe 6 weeks look like for us? And that's what I want to cover in this video, because to me, that's what it really comes down to. It always comes down to what is going on in the overall state of the union, what's going on with Bitcoin, Ethereum, and some of the macro factors impacting. So that's what I want to do for you. If you haven't already done so, hit that subscribe button below and definitely drop a like if you get value out of this video, because my goal is real simple. Is to help you stay informed, know what's going on, so that you can make appropriate, decisions on what to do that's best and right for you. Okay, so right here, right now, crypto is up a little bit. It's really only up right at about 1%, and Ethereum is the lead story here, up about 2.85%. Actually, Bitcoin. Wow. Okay, there you go. All I had to do was do a video. Literally, did you see that? Ethereum just jumped 5.5%, and Bitcoin just jumped 1.5%. There you go. That's pretty good. Let's refresh this to see if that is what I'm seeing. Yeah. So the overall market moving up 1.1. Oh, and there you go. See, it moves back. Anyway, you get the point. You saw it. I didn't make it up. All right. So we got, there you go. Ethereum moving up. So we got some price fluctuation. Now that's in the 24-hour numbers. The 1 hour number must be a lot more positive. Okay, but again, what we've got here is let's do this. Let's take a look real quick at the top 24-hour gainers. So Flow up 45%, Near Protocol, Trust 10%. But you can see, look, outside of this outlier, Flow, right? Obviously, some catalyst going on with them. The top gainer in the top 100 cryptos is only up 13%. That tells you a real simple thing. Everything's flat. Nothing's really going on. It's an overall very flat market. So here's what you need to know as far as what's kind of laid out for us for the next 6 weeks. Inflation is still the key story. It is still the centerpiece of what is going on or not with inflation. In fact, let's do this. Let's take a look real quickly at the Fear and Greed Index. Let's see what's that. Okay, so it's at a 31. Yesterday it was at a 30. So it's moved up out of extreme fear into fear. Okay, but again, back to our lead story. Inflation is the lead story. So here's the big, huge macro catalyst as it relates to crypto. All right, August 10th, the CPI inflation data report that measures inflation in the United States is going to be completed. It is not going to be published on August 10th. Okay, there you go. Probably didn't know that. I thought it was going to be published on August 10th until I looked it up, and I'm like, oh, it's not going to be published. So it's not going to be published. It's going to be published around September 10th or 11th. All right, that's when it's going to be published. Now, here's the Federal Reserve situation. So as we know, the Federal Reserve makes decisions based off of what is in this inflation data report. Now, the report that's going to be completed on August 10th is for the July numbers. Okay, now, so the Federal Reserve has a summit meeting in Jackson Hole on August 25th, I believe, or 26th, the exact date. But they're meeting on August 25th. And so they're having a summit. And what we are looking to just to see if any remarks or comments or any kind of hints or indicators are going to come out of that summit meeting that the Fed is having on August 25th. This is not a Federal Reserve meeting to raise the rates. This is just a summit meeting. They're all getting together. Okay. Now, moving forward, September 10th/11th is when the CPI inflation data report will be published. It will be made public. We will all know the number then. Then the Fed meets at the end of September. And I believe the exact dates there are September. I had them written down. I'll have to see if I can find them real quick. Nope. Oh, yeah, here we go. The Fed is meeting September 20th through 21st. There we go. So the Fed is meeting September 20th through 21st. And we usually get the raise or not raise on the last day of that meeting. So it will happen on the 21st. Got that going on. Oh, by the way, just to make this even more interesting, we have the merge for Ethereum. Ethereum merge, moving from proof of work to proof of stake, is supposed to happen September 19th. So we got a big month of September lining up. That's everything I've got for you as far as kind of all the catalysts. I think we're going to have a little bit of choppy volatility until then, until some of these catalysts come in line and we get more insight into inflation and what's it going to do or not going to do in crypto. See ya.